It's absolutely amazing.
Well, the timing's on, the help with the help.
Yep.
This carburetor's good. Good carburetor.
Yep.
Doesn't leak any oil. Kinda got a pop up in my face there, but lucky I have my glasses on.
Yeah.
We'll see if it starts up. Should just bang right up.
Technically, yep.
The thing is, I wanted to adjust the timing on it. Like, it has to be right on, but I got no timing light. The pulley, I got no way of checking out the pulley right now.
Right.
But, let's just see how hot it is here. Yeah, it's about normal running speed. But that, you know, it'll run like with no cooling. But not the best way of doing it.
Definitely not, no.
But
Sounds good.
it sounds very good. Yeah, it's a good sounding motor. No knocks or nothing in it.
Nope.
The big thing is to get the timing so it starts right on. You got lots of oil coming out of these cylinders on this side for some other reason. But anyway.
Yeah, there's a little bit of oil there too, yeah.
Might have some leaky guides.
Or maybe it's overflow.